Hello everyone, we've got this lovely Lamborghini Urus here today, which has a couple of small problems. But we're going to be dealing with those problems now. But I'm going to show you about it, so we're going to try and get the bugs out now. We're going to have to drive around for a while to do that. It's not the most pleasant story, but it's not an option. This is the only way to get some information. In general, our task now is to drive as much as possible, as far as possible, and to understand what is going on with the car. I hope it won't take too long, because it's not very interesting, to be honest. Well, I won't show the whole process, of course, because it's probably very dreary. But as soon as I find something, I will definitely show you. It's interesting that Urus in Moscow, somehow people don't pay attention to it at all. Despite the fact that, after all, the first is a Lamborghini and the second is not a cheap Lamborghini, but somehow it is like that. Maybe it depends on the color, of course. Here we have such a very camouflage color. If it was yellow or something purple, it would probably be different. But this way you actually drive very calmly. And it's nice, by the way, because when you drive something so mysterious, people take pictures all the time. And they don't hesitate to ask you anything. But it's a bit stressful. 1, 2, 3, maybe there's some fun in it. But when it goes on for days, it's not very interesting. Very nice brakes here. I'm very pleased with that. Because they work. It's carbon ceramic naturally, but they work like this, unlike the Ferrari, which has carbon ceramic. But if you don't race it, it's very inefficient. And here, we've got it just right. Stops without any problems at all. Despite the fact that this is not a straight sports car. There's a caprister here, the exhaust. Now we'll try and listen to it if we can again. Well, I don't think we'll get a chance to listen to it, but the sound is great too. Very, very nice. I still do not understand why the cigarette lighter has been removed here. I mean, it is really uncomfortable. It is really uncomfortable. At first, when I saw all this, I thought, well, on the move, maybe it will be somehow different. Everything is clear. In the parking position, it's one thing, but on the move, it's different. But I can tell you that even on the move, this story, it's somehow, well, it looks a bit uncomfortable. Especially when the car is fast. You know, you're driving at some speed, and you need to do something. Well, you see, I think they've miscalculated a bit. The steering is very, very good, which in fact, it should be. Otherwise, why such a car is needed at all? But according to the commission, nothing works out. I will drive further. Well, and in principle, I think that until I do not find anything interesting, probably, there is nothing to show, because here, it is just, you drive around the city, everything is very slow, there's nowhere to go. Well, and in this car, the whole interest, as far as I can see, is to drive actively. That is why, probably, a little later we will pass to examination of the interior, exactly in natural light. Because there's really a lot to see here. Look at the color. I mean, it is, I think, a worthwhile endeavor. Anyway, I'll get back to you a little bit later then.